Hey, I'm Steve with Clean Trails, and I'm here today with Jennifer Tabanico with
Action Research.
Jennifer, tell me more about your history and research experience with litter.
Well, my background actually is in psychology, which means I'm interested in the behavioral side of litter, and have been studying that for about the last 7 years, looking at litter behavior in a variety of different contexts.
Excellent.
There's a lot of evidence to suggest that people will do what they believe others to be doing. So nobody wants to be the one person out there cleaning up the litter by themselves, but joining a group or feeling like this is the socially accepted norm on that trail would have a good likelihood of bringing other people along.
What effect does it have for having tools and equipment in the environment where people are actually at?
Well, that's a good question. So a lot of litter campaigns will just focus on telling people that they shouldn't litter, or that they should clean up, or that they should care about it because it's a pollution problem, and so on. But very often they forget that there's an infrastructure that's required, either to throw things away or to pick up litter. So in our work, we always look at two dimensions of the behavior. That's the internal motivators for the behavior, but also the context. Two general findings that we found in both of our survey work and our observational work. One is that both the context matters and the person matters.
Right.
So you have to consider both of those things. Another thing is that litter begets litter. So people are more likely to litter into an environment that is already littered and less likely to litter into a clean environment.
Excellent. And then can you tell me about what community-based social marketing is? It sounds like some kind of a business thing.
Sure. Community-based social marketing is actually a hybrid between traditional marketing and social science. So it's a way of going beyond just knowledge and awareness and addressing the underlying motivations for people's behavior and removing barriers that might prevent them from acting. And that could be barriers that are internal to them, like motivation or lack of time, or it could be external barriers, like not having the appropriate infrastructure for the behavior you're trying to promote.
Got it. So do you think there's actually solutions out there to litter in the outdoors?
Well, one thing that's really well established in the literature is that having adequate infrastructure for throwing things away, recycling bins and trash cans, for example, people are less likely to litter when those things are available and also fairly close together.
Really appreciate it. You have yourself a great day,
Thank
and
you.
We'll see you out on the trail.
Great.